Schleifer in on a double leg. Gets a quick 2. Schleifer in, has the single leg elevated. Rowell clubs him down, gets the 2 points, 4-1. Princeton wrestler takes bottom, second period, quickly to his feet, turns in. Rowell tries to roll through it. The referee has not signaled points yet, has he? He has not. So we're in a north-south position. Rowell has the ankle. Schleifer should be crowding it. The wrap is over his eyes. Now he gets it off his eyes. Literally wrestling blind for a second here. Rowell, good placement there to come out the backside. Schleifer should be looking for a neutral fall. Protects his knee, rolls out of it. Rowell, almost 30 seconds of riding time. Schleifer up, turns in. Rowell drops, locks in the crotch. Had a spladle for a second. I don't think he's strong enough at this level to pull him over. Schleifer steps over the top. Rowell's following. That looks like reversal to me, but there it is. Reset. Start of the third period. Rowell up and then pulled back down. He's trailing 6-2. Riding time not a factor right now. Cross ankle pick. Gets him down. Working a tight waist tripod. Lifts the leg, sweeps the leg. 70 seconds left. Third period. Schleifer takes the optional start, cuts him. He has riding time, so we're at 7-3. See what Rowell has. We close the gap.
His opponent, a product of beatness.
Attack.
This is Nathaniel Rose.
Rowell able to keep his hips away.
He's from the Bronx, Steel Academy. Also representing Trinidad and Tobago at the 2015.
Short time. That's how we're going to end up. 7-3 counting riding time.
Nathaniel Rose out here wrestling in Division 1 of the college match.